How to develop mental toughness in soccer. Are you ready to elevate your game on the soccer field? Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of success in soccer, developing mental toughness. From facing challenges head-on to maintaining composure under pressure, mental resilience is the key to unlocking your full potential as a player. In this guide, we'll explore essential strategies and techniques to strengthen your mental game and thrive in any situation. So lace up your boots and get ready to embark on a journey to develop the mental toughness you need to dominate on the pitch. Number 1. Embrace challenges. Embracing challenges is fundamental to building mental toughness in soccer. Rather than avoiding difficulties, confront them head-on as opportunities for growth. Whether it's facing tough opponents, dealing with criticism, or overcoming setbacks, each challenge presents a chance to strengthen your resilience and fortify your mental game. By embracing challenges, you'll develop the confidence and determination needed to succeed on the field. View challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Embracing adversity helps build resilience and mental strength. Number 2, focus on the process. Focusing on the process rather than fixating on outcomes is essential for developing mental toughness in soccer. Direct your attention towards aspects you can control, such as your effort, attitude, and preparation. By concentrating on the steps you need to take to improve, you cultivate a resilient mindset that can weather any outcome. Remember, success is not just about the end result, but the journey and effort put into achieving it. Shift your focus from outcomes to the process. Concentrate on aspects you can control, such as effort, attitude, and preparation, rather than fixating on results. Number 3, positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is a powerful tool for cultivating mental toughness in soccer. Replace negative thoughts and self-doubt with affirmations and confidence-building statements. By fostering a mindset of self-belief and resilience, you empower yourself to overcome challenges and perform at your best on the field. Remember, your inner dialogue shapes your reality, so choose positivity and watch your confidence soar. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and confidence-building statements. Cultivate a mindset of self-belief and resilience to overcome obstacles. Number 4, practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is essential for enhancing mental toughness in soccer. Incorporate techniques such as deep breathing, visualization, and meditation into your routine. These practices help calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus and concentration on the field. By staying present and composed, you can navigate high-pressure situations with clarity and confidence, elevating your performance to new heights. Incorporate mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, visualization, and meditation into your routine. These practices help calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve concentration on the field. Number 5, learn from setbacks. Learning from setbacks is crucial for building mental toughness in soccer. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable learning opportunities. Analyze your mistakes and setbacks to identify areas for improvement and use them to fuel your growth and development as a player. By embracing setbacks and learning from them, you'll become more resilient and better equipped to handle challenges on the field. View setbacks as learning opportunities. Analyze mistakes and failures to identify areas for improvement and commit to continuous growth and development. Number 6, maintain composure. Maintaining composure is vital for demonstrating mental toughness in soccer. Keep a cool head and stay focused, even in high-pressure situations. By controlling your emotions and remaining composed, you can make clear-headed decisions and perform at your best when it matters most on the field. Stay composed and focused during high-pressure situations. Practice techniques to manage stress and emotions effectively, ensuring optimal performance under pressure. Number 7, set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is essential for developing mental toughness in soccer. Define clear, achievable objectives that align with your abilities and aspirations. Breaking larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones allows you to track progress and maintain motivation as you work towards success on the field. Set realistic and achievable goals to build confidence and motivation. Break larger goals into smaller, attainable milestones to track progress and maintain momentum. Number 8, seek feedback. Seeking feedback is crucial for improving mental toughness in soccer. Embrace constructive criticism from coaches, teammates, and mentors to identify areas for growth and refinement in your game. Incorporating feedback helps you continuously improve and develop the resilience needed to thrive in competitive environments. Number 9, visualize success. Visualizing success is a powerful technique for strengthening mental toughness in soccer. Picture yourself achieving your goals, making successful plays, and overcoming challenges with confidence. By visualizing success, you prime your mind for peak performance and reinforce your belief in your abilities on the field. Number 10, stay persistent. Staying persistent is essential for developing mental toughness in soccer. Maintain a relentless determination to pursue your goals, even in the face of obstacles and setbacks. By persevering through challenges and setbacks, you build resilience, ultimately achieving success on the field. In conclusion, developing mental toughness in soccer is a journey that requires dedication, resilience, and a positive mindset. By embracing challenges, focusing on the process, and incorporating mindfulness techniques, you can strengthen your mental game and elevate your performance on the field. So lace up your boots, embrace the grind, and let your mental toughness propel you towards success in the beautiful game of soccer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.